What are you doing here?
I phoned you 16 times in the last 5 days. I've left messages. I've left texts.
You can't come here.
I thought you died. I thought you'd been in an accident. You know I don't like doing this, John. I don't like coming here, threatening to knock on your door. But if you don't return calls or answer messages, what do you expect? People read into things, you know. People aren't stupid.
Look, work's mad. We're understaffed. I'm doing 15 people's jobs. I don't even know what week it is. You can't come here.
I've not seen you for 3 weeks. Not properly. And then nothing. Jack shit for 5 days.
You're overreacting. You're reading too much into things.
Yes, well, people will.
Who are these people?
Me.
Look, I should have called. I should have texted. I'm sorry.
As long as you're okay. As long as there's nothing up.
I'm fine. Nothing's wrong. Just snowed under, that's all. I'll ring you in the morning, all right? First thing in the... It'll probably be the afternoon.
I'm missing you. That's all. I love you.
I'll ring you.